New addition to the van fleet. We're going to turn it off. It's been running a few minutes. It's got that smell of something that hasn't run in a long time, and I don't want to, not checking it out any more than I have. I don't want to take a chance on messing it up. My seats are messed up, or my driver's seat is messed up. This is nice. Needs a little cleaning, not much. The seats, interior, this is a 98 2500. It's got back seat heating and air. 4 rows of seats. I was thinking the windshield was cracked, but I don't see a crack in this windshield. All of this stuff is the same as mine, identical. Needs a fender, but the oil pressure was showing pegged all the way over. Alternator's not showing any charging, and the voltmeter read that it was not charging. My door is about like that. But like I said, this thing will clean up really nice. It's a 3500, got that huge rear end. How many leaves did that thing go? This thing will tow the load. Back bumper. You know, when that woman ran into, or when that guy ran into the back of me, I replaced this door it with the vented window. Now we've got another door. If we part it out and take this stuff and put it on mine, we'll have another door with vent. We will check it out a little bit more tomorrow. I'm going to go ahead and pull that battery back out and charge it back up. And I'll check all the fuses and everything, make sure that there's not just a short somewhere or a fuse blown, keep it from charging. That alternator, I replaced mine, 2 weeks ago on the side of the road. This one looks identical to mine. It'll be a high amp, 140 amp alternator. Okay, well, we will cut this off for right now and then follow up. It sits up higher than mine too. I have a harder time getting up in it. We've let it run a little bit. Now we'll be able to see if anything's leaking out of the bottom end of it and all that kind of stuff. So, oil looked good, transmission fluid looked good. So, I'll check it out more tomorrow. Charge that battery back up. See if we can find out if the alternator's bad or not. Friday, March 28th, 2025. Y'all that watch my videos know how long I've been trying to find a replacement / parts van or backup van for mine. Well, today was the day. So we'll be doing stuff on it. We'll be making videos, checking out the alternator, oil pressure, all of that stuff. So follow along, like and share. This 3500 sits up higher than mine too, seems like, or either that seat's higher. It's harder for me to jump up into. I'll probably be painting that bumper and the grill. I really like the way mine looks with that. But yeah, both bumpers, back doors, front doors, seats, 4 rows of seats. Okay, let's turn this off and get these uploaded.